hope you're well and welcome back, and hello anyone that is new. Today I'm sharing with you another moving update, and it is a very exciting moving update because we've found a house. Oh my god, I think my smile and my mentality kind of shines through right now. We have found a house. So after the last update we were homeless. This has literally gone through so quickly. Like, we literally found a couple of properties online, went and viewed them within like a few days, and then it's literally been like a week or so, and now we're in. Like, it's been crazy. So we are renting. We'd kind of gotten back to this point whereby we had no other choice really. We really wanted to be in our own place. We were living with my in-laws, and God bless them, honestly, they were putting up with the kids and us, but the school runs were so long. The children hardly had any of their toys. Our cat was in a cattery. Honestly, just so many different things that we wanted to get our own space, and we didn't know how long it was going to take. We'd looked, there were no other properties on the market that we liked to buy, and essentially the school run was taking like 4 hours a day. We was miles away from Adam's work in like the opposite direction, and so he was getting home at like 7:30 of an evening, not seeing the kids. It was stressful, it was draining. We were doing so much on mileage and petrol, and so yeah, we decided that, you know what, now is not the time to buy. The way that the market is going around here at the moment, prices are going through the roof, and I'm kind of anticipating that prices are going to crash very shortly. I reckon next year things are going to turn a different way, and maybe then it's our time. But I truly believe everything happens for a reason. Twice now we've lost the house and it's fallen through. So I truly believe that this is why, and this is meant to be. So we are renting. I'm in an amazing place, and so yeah, it's crazy. We moved in on Saturday. Today is Monday. I'm just so excited to be here. As you can see, I'm just in amongst boxes. I'm trying to edit a video behind me, which you'll probably see before this video goes up. And yeah, there is just so much going on. It's been so manic, but I just wanted to give you that little snippet of update and let you know we have found somewhere. We are in somewhere for Christmas. My Christmas tree is going up. For anyone that doesn't follow me over on Instagram, I'll leave my handle on the screen, but you guys would know, because I'm over there on a daily basis, that my Christmas tree is my life. My Christmas tree normally goes up in November. We're now in December and it's still not up. So that is going up today. I've made a point of it. We've been sorting out boxes and all sorts. It is madness. Unfortunately, the property that we moved into, as stunning as it is, and honestly, it's like my dream layout, and it is just so beautiful. And I will do a house tour very soon. As beautiful as it is, it's very dirty when we moved in, unfortunately. So it took us days to clean. We're still cleaning now. We've only been in a couple of days, and we've had so much on with the boys, and oh, there's so much going on, but I'm so excited to share this all with you. This again is just another really quick update, just so you guys know what's going on, because I feel bad, and then you'll probably see a video of me like filming in the new house, and you'll be like, what, where are you, what's going on? Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you are all staying safe and well. Give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe if you are new. There'll be lots of decorating, and I just can't wait. But yeah, and I will see you all again in another video very shortly. Bye guys.
I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late. Now it's too late.